Just a little progress update on the 99 Civic restoration paint. It was going real smooth. But you know, I've been doing this for a while. When things are too smooth, you're bounding around into a speed bump or something to slow you down on your tracks. So I'm gonna put the camera down real quick. Hold on real quick. So you can see all that curtain back there. I had to put that there just to contain all the dust on that side. It still got over here. So on that time lapse, we had a strip the roof. It had a paint checkering, or what they call crow's feet. It looks like crow's feet, you know, in the dirt or sand. It splits. So when you get something like that, a lot of people I've seen, they just sand halfway through and they prime it to seal it in there. That never works. It always will come back. As much as I hate sanding and making a big mess, stripping, we had to get this done right, because this is going to be one time done and that's it. It ain't coming back. It'll be done right. So we had to strip everything. It's a mess. I'm going to turn the camera around. Hold on. So thank God for this curtain. Still got dust everywhere in here. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, check it out on this tripod and all this red dust. It doesn't look as bad on camera, of course. Let's go over here to the other side where it got real dirty. Yeah, see, this is why I don't like stripping cars in restoration. I like doing it when I was in the shop. Professional setting, a facility that, you know, we don't have to worry about getting. Look at this. That is all everywhere. The reason for that is because that stripper I use one of those Harbor Freight drums. Let's go see real quick. Yeah, you see it all over the ground. It is a total mess in here, and I don't like working like this. And if anybody really knows me, so I use one of these things right here, these little rotary strippers with a 40 grit drum on there. Loud. A lot of work on your arms, that's for sure. It got it done. It probably saved me about 5 hours worth of sanding by sander, palm sander or DA. All right, let's get up here and check it out. Yeah, we got the bare metal, and you can see little spots here and there. This hood was kind of, I mean, not the hood, the roof was kind of wavy to begin with. Can't feel it, but you will definitely see it in the paint. So with that all done, I'm going to seal this metal off with a DTM primer, a direct to metal primer, and block it and find some of the bodywork areas, and I'm going to do bodywork on top of that. All right, we're going to get everything stripped. I'm going to push this car out, and I'm going to get all the dust out of here. I'm not going to blow it. I'm going to sweep it and vacuum it. Shop vac, I mean, and then yeah, look just how bad that is. That is, people, yeah, it's a pain in the ass, but we're doing it right. This is a special project, so we are going to get everything stripped. All right, I think that's a wrap for now. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys saw it on the time lapse. I'm just gonna break it down. That was a lot of work. Tired, but we are getting there, and you know what? It's looking good. Just the first part, small part of just knocking this project out. Had taped up and masked up all the cavities between the door jambs and all that. They're covered with tape and all that, inside both and the inside of the door. I mean, everything I could think of is pretty much covered. even though the jam's gonna get sprayed, but I just don't want to overspray in there. It just gives us more stuff to take off. The gutter, I'm not priming it because it didn't need it. I just taped it on the edge, and I'm gonna knock that edge off before paint. One step closer. I'm happy. Still got a lot of work ahead of us, but we are gonna try to knock this one out the park. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we replaced the hood with the aftermarket hood. I can't remember what brand it was, if it was Parts Channel or Keystone. It's a local place up in Kent. But yeah, they had a good fitting hood, and we wanted OEM, but the OEM hood that we had was a lot of work. It would have probably took me 28 to 36 hours just to in body work and repair. This one fits good. The gaps were good. The only issue we had was a little ding here, you know, probably from transportation, but it was easy fix. So we gotta get that one primed also. But yeah, everything is buttoned up really tight. I like it. I mean, I take a lot more time when I mask up. You don't have to do this, but I prefer, my job has always looked this way. I'm actually trying to look for some carpet so I can throw right here, because I'm getting tired of the ground getting dirty with overspray and all that, and probably for the other side also. But enough of that. Next part, you're gonna see us priming, and we'll see you then. All right.